Hola, beauties! Today I am bringing you this gorgeous, glowing, Latino inspired makeup look, perfect for the new Instagram Reels trend. It's all about confidence, elegance, and that radiant glow we all love. As a new mom in 2025, I've been embracing life's changes, and I believe makeup is an art that empowers us to feel our best. Let's dive into this step by step tutorial. Hello, my beautiful people. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well and taking care of your beautiful families. Welcome to Glam Review Hub 2025. 2024 was a roller coaster ride for me, to be very honest. Like, I became pregnant, we got married on 25th of February 2024. The very next month, I conceived. I got to know after 5 months, and blah blah blah. And then, I was like so shocked when I got to know that, I am pregnant, and, like the doctor and everything was like, because I was about to get diagnosed with PCOS or PCOD, you would say, because I do night shifts. And it's not only about night shifts. I know that my schedule is not that good, my food and everything. So while I'm doing the night shift, I'm not taking care of the food and everything, and so many things. I mean, I don't know. If I keep going, it will just go. It will just go on and on and on. It will never get over. So here I am in 2025, fresh and active again. I know it is my postpartum now, and this is how I am looking like. And these are my hair. The hair, I have good amount of hair fall right nowadays, but still I'm trying to take care of my hair. I'm doing some hair care routines I'm following, which I used to follow earlier. And God gave me a very beautiful gift, my own child. We have kept his name as Aryansh, and I know it's a blessing, to be honest. So everything apart, my story apart, I would like to tell you today. So this video is all about Latino makeup, as you might have seen by the title itself. So yeah, I'm gonna try do a Latino makeup the way I know how to do it, because I've seen so many Latinos, and I think that Indians have those type of the looks and the gestures, and that sharp look which is required for Latinos. I think we have that in Indians as well. Also, please, again, I would like to tell you, ignore my nose, because now that I've given birth, it's only 2 months past that I'm just trying to still recover, and the lines are still growing and going and coming back. So it's like I don't know what to do. So I don't do makeup usually, and my face is just recovering still, my hair fall and everything. So there are many things which happens after a delivery, and as I've gone through normal delivery, the pain and everything which is coming and going in my body, I mean, that's a pretty different story altogether. So now that I'm talking about Latino makeup, so I was just scrolling on Instagram a few days ago, and then I was like, everyone is bragging about their Latino makeup skills, and some Hindi girl, like Indian Latino makeup on Indian girl, and many more. So I was just thinking, like, I can try it as well. Like, I do have learned makeup these many years, and the last year I did try posting so many videos on YouTube. However, because of my open pores and too many what do we say, white heads and black heads and everything, because of that my face was like not ready for makeup. That is the reason the makeup was looking too cakey. But this year I am again fresh and active, and hoping not to become pregnant again, because I'm so sufficed with what I have like right now. And I have a baby boy, of course, so his name is Aryansh, which we have kept. I wanted to keep his name as Aryan, but I don't know, I just think that Aryansh is little out of the box, so I just thought of keeping that. So yeah, so everything apart, my story apart, we will start with the Latino makeup. So stay tuned. And also I've seen that many of you are not subscribing to my channel, which is why I want to let you all know that please subscribe to my channel. We are on 51 subscribers, so voila. Also, I want you all to subscribe, and it is not costing you anything. Just subscribe to my channel. If you like any videos, please like, do subscribe. You want to share my videos, do share it openly. It is not gonna do any harm to you. Just share my videos, subscribe, like. If you want me to make any videos, like if you like my content, if you want me to make any videos according to your choice or anything, do let me know in the comment section. And if you do not have anything to comment, just comment any emoji, like, you know, if you have any emoji in your mind, a makeup emoji or a lipstick emoji or anything. If you will help me to grow, I will be able to make more videos in detail. And also today, it is a non-sponsored video, but I am going to use Matte Look Cosmetic makeup. So I have recently found out this Matte Look Cosmetic. I know it's a old brand or something, but it was not that renowned. So now that I've got to know, I've ordered 16 lipsticks from Matte Look Cosmetic, and I've ordered a serum foundation. I've ordered a concealer, which I'll be using today for Latino makeup, as we are supposed to highlight the areas which are seen from the front. Also, talking about what else did I order is like 24K gold serum is what was trending, and you know, like, yeah, and a blush. Yeah, so also I'm going to use some Hilary Rhoda products with like, I think I have their blush, and I think, yeah, that is the one. And also I have their foundation as well. So today I'm not going to use Hilary Rhoda foundation. So if you want to know the texture, or if you want to know like what exactly Hilary Rhoda foundation looks like or whatsoever, just do let me know in the comment section. I know you people don't comment on my videos, but I'm very angry on that, of course. So so I want you all to please comment on my channel, and I'll be grateful enough. And thank you so much for the support till date, and I want you all to support me for the future videos as well. So without wasting any further time, let's move on to the video.
Great makeup begins with great skincare. Remember, your skin is your canvas, so let's get it glowing. So the first step is face wash. First, I cleanse my face thoroughly using my favorite face wash, which is Neutrogena, to start with a face base. The next step is the toner. So basically, I love using rose water as my toner. It's refreshing and it keeps my skin hydrated. You can use any rose water you like. I am applying this generously with a cotton pad, or you can just spray it directly on your face and let it dry completely. The next step is the 24K gold serum. To add some glow, I am using Matte Look Cosmetics 24K gold serum. This step is like little luxury, hydrating, nourishing, and perfect for that radiant look. Once I apply that face serum on my face, I'll be gently massaging it on my face, and then of course, so I have to change, because you cannot do makeup on your ghar ka kapda and then you just wear some other clothes from top of that, and then the makeup will be applied. I don't know what I'm talking about, but it is what it is. So you just wear the clothes which you want to wear and then start applying makeup. So I'm wearing this some little Goa vibes, this dress. So yeah, next step is the moisturizer. I am applying the Aqualogica Glow Plus Moisturizer. It feels lightweight and gives my skin the hydration it needs for a smooth base. The next one is the lip balm. And of course, if you see my husband and my child behind, I am so grateful that he is taking care of the kid and I am making here the YouTube videos and all. Okay, going up with the primer, I am using the Swiss Beauty Pink Tint I'm so sorry, Swiss Beauty Pink Tint primer, and I'm just gently massaging it. And you just don't have to rub it on your face, you just make sure that you're just applying it all over, including your neck, so that it will have a tint. Like, I don't know like if it gives any type of tint or anything, but yeah, it is what it is. The next thing which I said, that I have bought a few cosmetics from Matte Look. So I've bought this concealer from Matte Look as a next step. So I'll be covering the entire eye part like how we usually do with the bridal makeup. However, before that, I'm gonna do my eyebrows so that I can give a nice shape with the concealer. Here I'm using this spoolie from, and also again the eyebrows, or the eyebrow shade which I'm using is black here, and this is from Swiss Beauty itself. So I'm gonna fill my eyebrows straight, I'm not gonna keep it curvy. So yeah, I'm gonna fill it completely, and making sure that my eyebrows are little darker over here. So I've bought few cosmetics from Matte Look as they were having this buy one get one sale, and I just went haywire by buying 16 lipsticks. I mean, that was too much. So yeah, so here as you can see that I am covering my entire eyebrows with this eyebrow pencil, and then again after that I will be brushing it up with the spoolie which is there with the eyebrow pencil, so that it will look even. As you can see, it is looking nice and sharp right now. The next step I'll be doing is I'll be applying the Matte Look Cosmetics Car Concealer all over my eye area, or wherever you want to highlight your face to. So the concealer, actually talking about the concealer, I didn't really like the texture of the concealer. It was too creamy, and it was too thick, to be honest. So after applying the concealer, it became cakey right away, and I had some because of I'm breastfeeding my kid, so I have to stay awake the entire night. So I have good amount of dark circles on my face and wrinkles as well. So while I was covering that, I just got some wrinkles underneath, and it was just not good. And I was like, I mean, I don't know whether it's gonna stay for long. But yeah, after that I kept, like, after doing the makeup, I kept it for around half an hour or two, I don't know, but and it just stayed well. But you just have to set it very nicely so that it doesn't become cakey or something. So yeah, so I am putting it wherever I can, like wherever I have spots on my face. To set the concealer, I am gonna use the Pond's powder. So it is a tinted powder. Always make sure that you're using a tinted powder so that it doesn't really look little whitish or anything, because whenever you're using a concealer which is lighter than your shade, and then you try to click photos, obviously it's gonna flash back and it's gonna look weird, or you will look like a bhutni. So you just don't want that. So make sure that you are gonna use a tinted powder. So as I'm setting it, I'm gonna use the foundation. I really liked this foundation. I'm in love with this. This is the first time I've got something matching my shade. This is the Matte Look Cosmetics Sheer Fluid Foundation. A perfect shade match to my skin. I'm gonna as you can see, it is completely like a serum. So I'm gonna put a few drops from the serum on my face, and I'm just loving it. Like, a little makeup can make us feel we are ready to conquer the world, so that's why you just need to make sure that you're having a good amount, or a good, like a good shade match. That's it. So I'm gonna cover everything. So basically, as you can see, I'm covering my under eyes as well, and everything, like, wherever I put the concealer. But make sure that you're applying concealer a little bit, like a lighter version of the concealer, because you don't want to make the makeup little cakey afterwards. अभी तो ठंडी है, तो it's okay. ठंडी में तो your makeup will never melt, but if it is summer, it's gone. Like I don't know how you will look itna makeup laga ke. So yeah, this is what it is. So next thing what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the concealer which I usually do. It is from the Inside Cosmetics, and what the shades which I've shown is the brown and the light brown color. So usually I use this shade because you know when my face looks a little whiter by applying the foundation, so I don't want that. So I usually cover it with this, and it is a very nice shade and a perfect match again to my skin. Second thing, it is going to set your face like anything. I mean, the makeup will just not move at all. So yeah, so I'm gonna put it nicely all over my face, wherever I see that it is white. Yeah, and after that I'm gonna use the next step, which is, I think I'm gonna do the eye makeup after this. So yeah, so after I do the base makeup, I'm gonna use a makeup fixer, and this is from Hilary Rhoda. I swear on this is the best makeup fixer I've ever used, because see, I've applied a little bit extra on my face for no reason, and you're not supposed to apply this much. You're supposed to make sure that you're keeping your hand at least 3 to 4 inches away from your face and spraying it all over. So the next thing, as the makeup fixer is dried, I'm gonna use a setting powder again to make the makeup little matte. This is from Hilary Rhoda itself. It is the best and a perfect shade match to my skin, and I'm gonna put it all over my face so that I'm gonna make sure that everything looks matte. Then we will move on to the blush. So I'm gonna use the blush is again from Hilary Rhoda. So I'm gonna put it towards the chin and up, and make sure that you are blending it upwards, not downwards, so that it will give a nice lift. Now that looking at the blush, I feel like it is a little bit extra and it doesn't really look good. So I'm gonna use a setting powder on top of the blush so that it will get a subtle look. So usually it's not necessary that you're supposed to put pink blush towards my nose. So basically I'm gonna use any type of on my nose blush you want, like a little browner chin area and my jawline, so that I'll get a nice shade. My face contouring is usually done I'm using this inside face because you don't want to look plain. पूरा का पूरा मेकअप अगर ऐसे ही प्लेन दिखेगा और कुछ शेप नहीं है उसमें या कुछ शेड नहीं है तुम्हारे फेस में, तो यू विल लुक लाइक अ जोकर डेफिनेटली. बेसिकली मैंने देखा है बहुत जनों को, लाइक दे यूज दिस ब्लश ऑन देयर नोज एंड द फोरहेड एरिया व्हाटसोएवर, एंड आई डोंट थिंक इट इज नेसेसरी बिकॉज आई रियली हेट दैट. सो सेकेंड थिंग, द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज द अदर पार्ट ऑफ दिस इनसाइड कॉस्मेटिक का जो मैं अभी यूज़ कर रही हूँ स्टिक, उसका अदर पार्ट इज़ हाइलाइटर. सो आई एम गोना हाईलाइट द एरियाज विच बेसिकली बिकम्स ऑयली. सो आपका एक लॉजिक आपको लगाना है कि जो भी एरिया आपका ऑयली हो रहा है वो एरिया पे आपको हाइलाइटर लगाना है, सो दैट इट विल गिव अ नाइस लिफ्टेड लुक टू यू. सो अगेन हाइलाइटर भी अगर आप लगा रहे हो तो मेक श्योर यू आर गोना blend it upwards, not downwards, so that it will give a nice lift to your face. So now for my favorite part, eye makeup. I'm using the Swiss Beauty palette and starting with a purplish brown shade. I'm gonna blend it nicely. So I'm gonna make a crease and giving it a winged eyeliner kind of thing. So I'm gonna give a wing with the eyeshadow itself. And now I've taken the sponge so that I can make a nice sweet wing with the eyeshadow. It is a very nice shade as you can see on the screen. And I'm gonna make the wing on both the side. तो crease पे आप लगाओ so that एक transition shade आएगा आपको और आपका eyes थोड़ा सा bold लगेगा. And once you're applying that, make sure that you're gonna put shimmer in between the crease area. So this is what it is looking like, and I'm just so in love with this. As you can see, the shimmer part, actually I tried applying it with the brush and it didn't happen quite nice. So now I'm gonna use my finger, क्योंकि हमेशा make sure that आप कुछ भी glitter का apply कर रहे हो ना face पे, make sure you are having or you're using your finger, to put it on your eyes or on your cheeks. So after this, I've put a little bit of glitter on the cheekbones and under the eyebrows to make sure to give it a nice highlight. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the same shade and I'm gonna put it under the waterline. If you want, you can use your fingers as well just to blend it. And once you put it under the waterline, it will show you that the entire eye makeup is completed and it is nice. Now for the other part, like the eyeliner, for eyeliner I'm going to use the Biotics eyeliner. So I've just taken a eyeliner pen. You get this eyeliner sketch pens, and then I'm for the winged eyeliner, of course you can't directly draw it if you do not know how to. You can just use the eyeliner pen and you can just draw a wing with the same. And for kajal, I'm gonna use the Himalaya kajal. It gives a nice coverage, like it is so nice, and it is dark and pigmented and it doesn't make your eyes watery as well. Also, just to have that thing, like just to give a nice dramatic look to my eyes, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the kajal only in the corners of my eyes. And for the mascara, I'm gonna use the Mars Cosmetic mascara, and I'm gonna nicely give a nice curl to my eyelashes with the mascara. So now that I've never ever used a pencil, like a lip liner pencil, so basically I'm gonna use the eyeshadow, a brown eyeshadow, a brown eyebrow pencil which I have bought. I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna nicely put it all over give a nice shape. And then again, the Matte Look Cosmetics का magenta जो है वो मैंने यूज़ किया है, and I have not applied it dark, मैंने सिर्फ blend किया है उंगलियों से. And this is what my completed makeup look looks like, and it is just so awesome. Like my husband was again in love with me, because he falls in love with me every day, and today he again fell in love with me. It is just so beautiful. I mean, a gorgeous Latino inspired makeup look that's perfect for Instagram reels. This look is all about radiance and elegance, just like beautiful journey of motherhood. Remember, makeup is not just about looking beautiful, it's about feeling beautiful. After becoming a mom, I've learned that the glow of happiness is most radiant of all. Until next time, keep shining, stay confident, and embrace your unique beauty. Bezos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Tag me in your Instagram reels. I can't wait to see your stunning, gorgeous look or recreations. A happy heart makes a glowing face. Here's to glowing inside out. Thank you so much for watching, and see you until the next video. Bye bye.